All right, we're now into the second part of the class. The next chapter we're going to do is chapter 10, which is all about radicals. So square roots, cube roots, all different types of radicals. You might notice in chapter 10 that I've also broken up the chapter into two separate weeks. So for the first week of chapter 10, you're going to cover sections 10.1 through 10.4, taking your pretest, doing your homework, and taking your retakes over those four sections. You'll see that the chapter 10 blank notes packet, it actually includes all sections. So you'll print it out now at the very beginning of chapter 10. You'll watch the videos and fill in the notes throughout, and then you'll submit it at the end of week 2 when you're finished with all of chapter 10. Okay? You'll see chapter or section 10.1 notes, 10.2, 10.3, and 10.4. In this week, we're going to be talking about how we can change a radical into an exponent, or an exponent into a radical. We'll also talk about multiplying and dividing radicals. Week 2, we're going to cover sections 10.5 through 10.8, which we're going to be doing some more operations with radicals in them, maybe rationalizing denominators, getting that radical out of the denominator of your fraction. We're going to be solving some radical equations, and then we're going to be talking a little bit about some formulas that you've probably seen in the past, but distance, midpoint, and Pythagorean theorem that might have some radicals in them. The last section, 10.8, we're going to talk about what happens when you have a negative number underneath a radical and what that might mean. Make sure that you complete all of those sections as you're filling out the notes. Oh, there's my son. I knew that would happen at some point. Make sure that you listen to the videos as you're filling out the notes. You submit your completed notes underneath the chapter 10 completed notes assignment, and let me know if you need anything throughout these next few weeks, okay?